I'm Amy Anderson and you're watching OptionRally TV. Take your position with OptionRally brokers. Just click the link to my right and get more information on binary options with OptionRally. Now here's what's happening today, September 16th, 2013 in the market. As Syria fears fade, so does oil. Panic keeping the yen strong. And lastly, the US is releasing the industrial production data. Your profits are starting now. On Saturday, U.S. Secretary of State John Kerry and Russian Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov agreed on a framework for Syria to destroy its chemical weapons stock supply by the middle of 2014. Under the agreement, the Syrian president will be required to declare his country's stockpiles of chemical weapons by September 20th. Oil had climbed higher on speculation that the U.S. could attack Syria on its own, but now that more diplomatic options are being used, some of the air is coming out of a long oil trade. According to state media, China, the world's second largest oil consumer behind the U.S., will spend $13 billion this year on oil and gas exploration and production activity. This could help oil regain its strength. Oil went down from last week's high of 110.39 and went down to 106.50 continuing this morning. For black gold trading today, it is recommended to consider a call option when the price hits 107.10 and to consider a put option when the price hits 105.85. Several factors kept the dollar even lower against the yen between Larry Summers removing his name from the possible next head of the Federal Reserve, the possibilities of when the Fed will start tapering off its bond buying program, and the news on Friday that the U.S. retail sales were lower than expected. The dollar continued to drop. Another name that has been discussed as a possible candidate for the Fed is former Treasury Secretary Timothy Geithner. Okay, who does Obama think will do a better job? The US dollar to Japanese yen closed last week at a high of 100.56 and then fell to 98.91 continuing this morning. For yen trading today, it is recommended to consider a call option when the price hits 99.85 and to consider a put option when the price hits 98.50. Today in the market, the U.S. is releasing the industrial production data. This measures the change in the total inflation-adjusted value of output produced by manufacturers, mines, and utilities. A higher than expected reading should be taken as positive for the USD, while a lower than expected reading should be taken as negative. The forecast is for it to be 0.4%. Just tune in today at 2:15 GMT and get ready to trade the greenback. I'm Amy Anderson. Follow me Monday through Friday right here on my channel and at OptionRally.com. See you tomorrow.